Well, good afternoon, YouTube. Been a few weeks. On my way to do some more cleanup. With all this ice. Would have been nice to be in Louisville at the truck show, but Mother Nature doesn't want to relinquish winter or her winterly ways. I remembered the GoPro. See if I can get some video of plowing ice. I forgot it early this morning. Pretty crazy out, raining, and it's 29 degrees finally. Heading over to the dollar store. They requested a service, so we're gonna go see if I can get it peeled down to concrete there. Throw some salt down, but we're under a ice storm warning until 8 o'clock tonight. I figured I'd give y'all a quick update. I mean, it's, like I said, been a while. So if the battery's charged up enough by the time I get to town there, I will turn the old GoPro on and shoot some video of scraping ice. So appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Trying to grow the channel. I've been kind of stagnant for a while, but we'll work on some newer content this upcoming dirt season. Some more things coming down the line. But anyway, again, y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye.